Here I have Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera audio control on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings by tapping the gear icon, then go to the shooting methods, and here you have to enable voice commands like take pictures by saying smile, cheese, capture or shoot, or record videos by saying record video. So let's try to take a picture like this. Smile. As you can see, it worked. Or let's try cheese. Picture. Okay, there was another word, I guess. I should check how it was capture or shoot. Let's try capture. Shoot. Record video. Record video. Maybe we should switch to the video mode and right now record video. Okay, maybe I pronounce it in the wrong way, I don't know. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.